I know you watch YouTube videos all day long, but at the end of the day, you don't get to take anything with you. If you're doing this, you're just wasting your precious time. But if you think that YouTube itself is only a waste of time, you are wrong. If you watch YouTube videos the way I'm gonna show you in today's video, you will be able to earn real money by watching videos. You can get paid $2 per 60 seconds of a video you watch. Isn't that sweet? You can enjoy watching videos and at the same time, earn up to hundreds of dollars per month. Wanna know how? Follow whatever I do in this video, and you should be good to start making money. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the future videos we plan to post. Before I show you how to start earning, the first thing you need to have is a YouTube account. Just head over to youtube.com and sign up for a free account there, or you can use your Google account to log in to YouTube. The next step is to go to the site Picoworkers.com. It is a renowned freelancing site connecting thousands of buyers to sellers. It doesn't matter whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time job. Picoworkers has got you covered. On their homepage, you can see the affiliate program option. This is their referral program, and you can earn a great commission for each referral you make by the link you're going to generate using this program. The second option I want you to click on is Freelance and Earn. You can see all the recently completed tasks and the seller's withdrawals when you click it. You can see that some projects can range up to thousands of dollars. And if you manage to get projects of this kind, you can become rich very quickly. Thousands of projects are posted on this site daily that you can do in your free time. But before you can start making any money at all, the first step you have to take is making an account. It is free to register, and the process takes only a few minutes to complete. On the homepage of Picoworkers, you can see the green-colored Get Started button at the bottom. Or, if you can't find that, click the Sign Up button at the top right of the page. Click either of the two, and it will take you to the Sign Up page. Once you get there, you will see that you need to enter your personal information. First is your name and your email address. Next, you must set a password for your account and re-enter it to confirm it. Input your nickname and then select your country. You can open the countries list by clicking on the arrow, and you will see that all the countries are in the list. So don't worry, wherever you are in the world, they have got you covered. You can use this site to make money for yourself from all over the globe. Choose your country from the list. Lastly, agree to their terms and conditions, and click Sign Up button at the bottom to complete the account creation. Now that you have your account, you can start freelancing immediately. You can see all the jobs that have been posted on this site. You have the job title and description on the left, and the price offered is on the right. You can click the button right next to the job level on your dashboard, enabling you to choose the type of job. Once the list opens up, choose Video Marketing. The jobs you will now see will be only related to videos, and most will be just very simple, like just watching a video. You can do it anywhere, anytime. Within seconds, you will get paid. To do the job, click on it, read the description, and if you like what the buyer has to offer, just submit a proposal. A proposal is basically just a bit of your personal information that the employer needs to give you the job. Next is to fill in the questions given at the bottom. You can see the link to the YouTube channel given in the job description. You now have to go to YouTube, find that video, and watch it. If you want to do something else while the video is playing, you can let it play in the background and do your other important tasks. Once the video completes, you're done. However, watching videos alone would not pay you very much money. If you want to take it to the next level, start doing other jobs, like the sign-ups or engagement on posts that are not only easy, but also pay much better than watching videos. Click the sign up option from the same button that you have selected video marketing from, and you will see all the jobs that require only a click. Links will be given, and clicking it will lead to either sign up, where you have to input your details and register to a site, or it can take you to a post where you have to engage with it. Engagement includes liking or commenting. Once you do the required task, whatever it may be, depending on the job, you will get paid instantly. Once you are done making money, the next and last step is withdrawing it. Many people don't give this step much importance. If you do the same, you will, later on, regret your decision when you would have made money and won't know how to receive it. The best method to withdraw your earnings that this site supports is with the help of PayPal. PayPal is free to use, very user-friendly, and available almost all over the world. If you have a PayPal account already, it's great. You can just link it to your Picoworkers account. But if you don't have it, no worries. Just make one right now. Type paypal.com in Google search, click the first link that appears. There, you would see all the countries it supports and all the general information about it. Click the sign up button at the top right. Choose your account type as personal or business, and then click next. It will redirect you to a page where you would have to choose your country first. Then depending on that, they ask for your phone number. After sending a confirmation message comes the part for your name, email, and other details. Agree to their terms, and after that, you are done. You now have a PayPal account that you can link to Picoworkers to withdraw your earnings quickly and easily. This PayPal account that you have just created is not only limited to Picoworkers. It has wide applications even outside this platform, and you can use it for your other online transactions as well. This brings us to the end of this video. Hope you have understood whatever I've taught you in this video. Now, you can start making money by watching videos on Picoworkers and hopefully earn a pretty decent passive income. If you liked the video, please do consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Also, tell us your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time!